Introduction. My name is Nelly Saada. I was born on 15th November 2000. I'm come from Brebes, but now I live in Semarang and study at UNES. My address in Jalan Lamongan Raya nomor 18 Bendani Resort, Semarang. I am currently in semester 2 studying at TPG Prajabatan PGSD at UNES. Here I will present the results of the reflection. Reflection number 1, descriptive text. Number 2, procedure text. Number 3, pre-context. And number 5, persuasive text. 1. What important things do you find in the text? In description text. In this description text, the important things what I put forward is a description of myself and my family. From introduce my name, age, what I do, what activities I like, what activities I do in my spare time. In the family, how many members of my family, how many siblings, work of my family members, dates of residence. In procedure text, the important things that I started is what my hobby is, what tools are needed to do my hobby, and what are the steps to do it. In recontext, the important things I say are based on my stories in the past. For example, my experience at elementary school, on my experience the first day of school. Persuasive text. The important things that I bring up the problems that occur in the environment. The facts that I found related to the problem and how I can influence the reader to be aware and participants on protecting an environment. Number 2. Why is this important to discussion in text and description text, so that readers of people can get to know myself and my family, knowing what I am, what I like, what I do, stories about my family members, job, and what I think about family. Because the purpose of descriptive text is to describe objects, places, people, and situations in detail. Recontext, so that reader can know my story, what my activities were, on my experience at elementary school, what I did in elementary school, what I studied, because the function of the text is to relevant of experience that occurs in the past. In procedure text, so that readers can find out what tools are needed to do my hobby. The steps are 7 words to do it, because procedure text is a type of text that contains steps that must be taken for the desired goals. And persuasive text, so that readers can open their mind and see how the environment is today, so that there is self-awareness of the importance of protecting the environment. Because this text aims to invite Order or review the reader to do something in accordance with what the author says. What impacts do you want to have from this reading? Descriptive text to make readers aware of what can be done or to keep it about themselves and their values, so they can more freely tell or introduce themselves to other people or people to just meet, and readers can know the structure of the descriptive text and procedure text, so that reader can do an activity or make something well and currently according to existing procedures, whether it's from my text or from the text they get. I also hope that the readers knows what are the parts of the procedure text in the context, so that readers be intimate and nostalgic of their experience as well, so that readers can also know how to make a recontext what is taught in the text. The text can also provide advice or lesson from true stories to readers, so readers can take their lesson and apply them in the text the same problem as in the story. In persuasive text, so that readers can be aware of environment issues that are around them, aware of the importance of caring for and protecting the environment. It is also expected that reading can implement activities that have a positive impact on the environment, such as disposing of waste in its place, being able to process their own waste, using electrical energy wisely, reducing the use of plastic, planting green plants in the yard of the house, so that the environment can be maintained its beauty. 4. What will you do to improve the quality of your reading? Descriptive text. Use words that are easier to understand or often used in everyday conversation. Describe something in more detail and on point. Pay attention again to the structure of the text. In procedure text, use words and sentences that are easy to understand. Point, control, sentence include image as support for the text steps. In the context, tell the experience in more detail. Provide messages and suggestions taken from the story. Use words that make the reader understand and feel the story. In persuasive text, tell up-to-date and reliable facts into text. Make an impression stance that pushes the reader's heart more, so that the readers become aware to agree with my opinion. So, thank you.